How deep can they go? Well, so far pretty deep. We've got main root at least 4 to 5 inches deep as the soybean enters V3. This is our first seeded field of NSC Homewoods, and I like what I see so far. So, what are we doing and managing on the farm? We just finished first pass in crop, really just to take care of some of the volunteer wheat and volunteer canola, because that's the only thing that dicamba residual did not protect against. Number two thing we're doing in our soybeans, some of our headlands, we finished rolling now when we were in the V1 and V2 stage because we didn't roll the spring because we were concerned about dryness and soil blowing. And number three thing we're looking at on our soybeans right now is plant stand counts. We finished up, and for the most part, running around 140 to 160,000 live plants, which is pretty good. But what we have heard this year, emergence has been one of the challenges. Don't be surprised if you're seeing your soybeans emerge anywhere from 20 to 30 to 35 days after seeding. That's just the nature of the beast. The soybean will still produce yield. It will catch up. It is amazing how it does do that. But now is the time, do your plant stand counts so you know how to set your seeder for next year.